colons between the interval.
Hello, today I'll be teaching you guys how to write approach statements and draw graphs. So the graph that we'll be looking at today is up here, x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by x squared minus 4. So before you do this, you want to first factor the graph. So I'm going to factor this graph real quick. So this is equivalent to x plus 2 squared over
Wait, did I actually lose my
x
other video
plus
now?
2 times x minus 2. Alright, so now I'm going to get to graphing this graph. So we want to first label some important asymptotes and holes. So we know that there is a asymptote at...
Are you kidding me?
So this is actually equivalent...
Cool, redo this whole thing.
This is equivalent to x plus 2 over x minus 2. So that's what our graph really is. Okay, so now I'm going to graph this graph. Okay, well, that's kind of stuck. It's okay. So that's our graph. But alright, so I'm going to first label a vertical asymptote, a horizontal asymptote at x is equal to 2. So we have an asymptote right here. And then you also have a vertical asymptote at x is equal to 1. That's 1. Okay.
X equals.
Okay, alright, that seems good. Alright, so when x is it's x plus 2 over x minus 2. So when x is equal to 3, what is y? Y would be 5. 1, 2, 3. Y would be 5. And when x is 4, y would be 3. So now we start, we know what the graph really looks like. Something like this. And on the other end, no, this would be when x is 0. When x is 0, y would be -1. So -1. And when x is positive 1, y is equal to -3. So now we can trace that graph. Alright, but you still have to remember, when we factored this, we simplified the x plus 2.
Wait, Victor, can you grab me
still
one if they're in there? So
whole at x is equal to -2, so you still have to label that. So when x is equal to -2, 0. So, okay, a circle here, and go all the way down.
Huh.
So a graph should look something like that, with a hole at -2 and horizontal asymptotes, and a vertical asymptote at x is equal to 2 and other asymptote at y is equal to 1. Alright, great. So now we're
I'm just
gonna
keep zooming out and moving.
I don't need this anymore, right?
Alright, yeah.
Okay, so now that we have that graph,
X cannot be. X has an asymptote at 2, so X is greater than 2, or...
Alright, now we're gonna write appropriate approach statements. So as x approaches negative infinity,
and finally,
that's really odd.
There we go.
As x approaches negative infinity, do you remember that y approaches?
Our range would be...
Y would be approaching
the
horizontal asymptote, which would be 1. So y approaches 1, and so that when x approaches infinity,
but you can cross vertical asymptotes, so
y also approaches 1.
it's not important as much.
And when x approaches
Yeah, what should I write for relevant characteristics?
2 from the positive side,
Asymptotes, intercepts. Yeah.
Look at when x approaches 2 from the
Okay, so
positive
for
side,
our
y approaches infinity.
asymptotes, we got one vertical asymptote because we have a hole.
And when x
being created,
approaches
so our vertical
2 from the
asymptote's at
negative
x
side,
equals 2, so that's a vertical asymptote.
which is y approach, y would approach negative infinity.
And then
What type of growth would you say
horizontal
that is?
asymptote.
And what when x
is at y
approaches
equals 1.
negative 2 from the positive side,
We got a hole.
x approaches negative
X equals -2.
when x approaches negative 2,
Finally,
yeah, when x approaches negative
have
2,
got a y-intercept
from the negative side, y approaches 0.
0, comma, -1. So yeah,
When x
That's
approaches
today's
negative
lesson.
2, negative side, y also approaches 0.
I didn't see that.
is that like the little kazoo kid? He gets like bumped on the shoulder. He's like, oh hi.
Alright, so there you have it.
How do I airdrop?
That's our
shit?
graph. Everything that we have with our graph.
You just gotta.
But before we finish, you just have to label special, the domain
Do I
names
show this as a
and
video?
other stuff like that.
You save it as a
So,
video and then you save it to like
the
camera
domain-
roll,
Victor.
and then like from camera roll you just airdrop.
I hit share as a video.
Domain
so we'll
is
see if that
x
works.
is equal to all
Doesn't
real,
work
except
when it's like to the power 4.
2 and
Just doesn't.
negative
sure?
2. And if you want an interval form, you write
Yeah.
negative infinity,
You know, I'm gonna go back and change
comma,
it.
negative 2,
Wait, Victor, what does it mean?
union,
Explain what is happening.
I just wrote like what type of
union,
growth is
Where's
going
the
on.
picture?
So I
and
did like x
where's the
cubed, so like I mean y equals
Is the first one
Where's the
here?
picture?
that would be the
Where'd you get that thing?
I find
that would be the domain, and the range, what would the range be?
Luke, you have it.
No, I found it.
Has anyone done the screen recording video thing yet?
Range.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How
The
do you
range
get them to record
is-
your voice at the same time?
Just record.
It just does.
The range
Doesn't do it.
Then you're
is,
done.
Wait,
so.
you're doing it on your computer recording?
the
Well,
range
it's like
would
the
be
one where it says take
y
You mean
is equal
explain
to all
everything?
real,
No.
This is not where you have to
y
take
is not
recording.
equal,
Yeah, there
y is not equal
I
to
think it's 5.
1.
Yeah, 5.
And lastly, whole
Yeah, I just did that on explain everything.
at
Yeah.
So I have, okay, here's
Is that legal?
I don't understand the one where it's like make a video of yourself. Why would you do that
No.
over using explain everything?
s.
Explain everything.
Oh, wait,
way
oops.
better.
Wait, what the heck? What am I don't understand what I'm supposed to write for this function. This is just y equals a constant.
Alright, so actually the whole is at
But,
negative
I don't
2.
understand what I'm supposed
The
to explain.
asymptote is at
This is a
x is equal to positive 2. And you also have a vertical asymptote
Wait,
at y
Are you
is
just
equal
writing like
to 1.
approximately?
And there you have it. That's our graph, and that's
Like,
that.
constant.
Thank you.